I'm Mrs. Roop Sharma. I head the cable operators body of India. We are having around 70,000 cable operators all across the country. Cable TV started in '89, bringing with one video channel, and slowly in 5 years' time we were showing more than 15 channels, and now after 20 years we are showing more than 200 channels to the consumer. There are around 150 pay television and around more than 300 free-to-air channels. This industry has given tremendous job opportunity to cable operator, their linemen, technician, the satellite channels, their cameraman, technicians, journalists. Everybody has got business because of cable TV in India. In cable TV, there are around 120 million cable and satellite homes. We are catering to so many households in India, and every cable operator is upgrading from 5 channel to now more than 100 channels. They are moving from analog to digital. They are laying fiber optic instead of coaxial cable. You know, they started the business with coaxial cable, then CommScope. Now they are using fiber optic, and they are taking the cable to more than 300, 400 kilometers, state to state. They are laying cable. So one operator lays more than 400 kilometer cables to reach small villages, where small cable operators are connected with the big operators. If there is no competition, the business will never grow. DTH is there. Because of DTH, cable operators are turning from analog to DTH, and there are competition amongst cable operators themselves and also the multi-system operator. There are 4-5 national multi-system operator, and there are local cable operator. There are around 6,500 head-ends in the whole country, and all the smaller operators have connected themselves to the bigger operator. See, it's a competition. MSO multi-system operators are connecting smaller operator, giving them signal. There are various companies like Reliance has come into this, Hinduja is there, Hathway Telecom is there, WWIL is there, and so many companies have come into this business. That means the business is great. See, a customer sitting at home is able to watch news, Doordarshan news, and the entertainment in Hindi, English and regional languages, and also international channels he is able to watch. So that means cable TV is brought a revolution in the country. They have given young boys like you a tremendous job facilities. Even sitting at home, you know what is happening all across the country. You know, it gave birth to cable TV. I attended my first seminar in 1890 in Vijayawada, where Ramakrishna was there. He was the pioneer of the industry. He started cable television in Andhra Pradesh. I travelled Karimnagar, Mahbubnagar, Suryapet, Ongal, to Kurnool. So many districts we conducted technical seminar to teach cable operator. And Andhra was, maximum number of cable and satellite homes are from the Andhra Pradesh after Gujarat. Maybe Gujarat and Andhra Pradesh are leading each other in this. People are very fond of watching movies and programs and songs of Andhra Pradesh.